Bitwala is a standout solution for anyone looking to combine traditional banking with cryptocurrency management. It offers a Euro IBAN account that allows users to send and receive euros just like with any standard European bank. The process is seamless, with the account fully regulated under German banking standards, ensuring your funds are secure and compliant with EU financial regulations. What makes Bitwala unique is its integration with cryptocurrency. Users can link their bank account directly to their crypto wallet, allowing for instant buying, selling, and storing of Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies. This eliminates the need for transferring funds between multiple platforms, making the management of both euros and crypto assets much simpler and faster. Opening an account is straightforward. Verification can be completed entirely online, and the account comes with a debit card, enabling direct spending from both fiat and crypto balances. Payments, transfers, and deposits are processed with minimal fees, providing transparency and control over financial activities. The interface is user-friendly, suitable for beginners while still offering enough features for experienced traders. Bitwala supports SEPA transfers, meaning that sending and receiving euros within Europe is fast and often free. Additionally, users benefit from competitive rates when converting euros to crypto and vice versa. Security is a key focus. Two-factor authentication, encrypted storage, and regulatory oversight ensure that both fiat and crypto funds are protected at all times. For anyone looking to streamline their finances, Bitwala provides an elegant solution. It's ideal for freelancers, expatriates, and investors who need easy access to euros while actively managing cryptocurrency holdings. With a Euro IBAN and crypto-friendly infrastructure, it bridges the gap between traditional banking and digital finance, providing a reliable, regulated platform for everyday banking and investment in crypto. Bitwala has redefined how crypto enthusiasts interact with traditional financial systems. By combining regulatory compliance, user-friendly design, and instant crypto integration, it offers a practical, secure, and efficient way to manage money in euros while actively participating in the cryptocurrency market.